Hello, welcome to another video. Beautiful morning in Van Nuys, California. Marine layer burned off pretty quickly, if there was much of one at all this morning. Didn't seem like it. It's quiet right now on the ramp. We're just waiting for our fuel, and then we'll be off and running. Clear.
Van Nuys Ground Cherokee 130 Julia Mike, southwest corner with Sierra, taxi to the active.
130 Julia Mike, Van Nuys Ground, 16 right, taxi Alpha Charlie.
16 right via Alpha Charlie, 0 Julia Mike. So I was looking at the weather forecast. There was a potential for fog and mist early this morning, and so my backup plan was Santa Paula. And when we woke up this morning, I looked at the satellite imagery and read the forecast, and fully clear, but the weather forecast from the NOAA website described it as a little odd piece of stratus is trying to cling on to the coast or something like that, or trying to hang on so dearly to the coast.
Someone's poetic.
Yeah. The question is, do you want to go directly there, or do you still want to go down the Malibu coast?
Oh, Malibu coast.
Okay. Just checking on the hungry factor.
Oh, no. Are you starving?
Yeah, I'm hungry, but I can, the flight's not that long, so.
Yeah.
All right, oil temperature's coming up, so we'll be able to do our run-up right away.
Quiet here this morning.
Yeah.
Had took so long to get gas.
Which is great. We'll be able to get out quickly.
Say again?
Skycatcher 5216 Lima at checkpoint 1 with Sierra ready to taxi.
Number 5216 Lima, Van Nuys Ground, good morning. Runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie. Thank you, 16 Lima.
All right, let's do.
Tower, exit jet 338 is approaching 16 left on Charlie. Hold me.
Pitcher 338, Van Nuys Tower, crossing 16 left to Charlie, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear across 16 left to Charlie, clear for takeoff.
All right,
16
parking
right,
brake
exit jet
is
338.
set. Throttle 2000. Mags left. Looks good. Back to both. Right. Looks good. Drop to 1500. Back to both. Back up to 2000. Ammeter. Charging. Oil temperature looks good. Oil pressure looks good. Fuel pressure looks good. Fuel gauges looks good. Annunciator panel. Check. Vacuum 5.1, carb on, looks good. Make sure it doesn't stall out. Doesn't. Repeat back off. Electric pump is on, mixture is full rich. Primer is locked, flight instruments. Let's see.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 508 November Delta is holding short of runway 16 right at Charlie, quarter pattern.
That looks good.
The 508 November Delta, Van Nuys Tower, caution German start citation, left boost shaft approved, squawk 0271, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
0271 16 right, clear for takeoff, 508 November Delta.
Exit jet 338, contact circle departure.
Doors are latched.
Thanks, sir. See you next time. Exit jet
Closed
338.
and closed. Transponder set to 1200. Strobes, lights are on. We are good to go.
Van Nuys Tower, Cherokee 130 Julia Mike, ready 16 right for departure. Straight out request.
Check 130 Juliet Mike, traffic departing Cessna is in the east pattern. Straight on approve, any 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 right, 130 Juliet Mike.
Van Nuys Tower, Skycatcher 5216 Lima, student pilot, holding short of 16 right at Charlie, request right crosswind departure.
Stand by.
Line it up. And full power.
Secretary 5216 Lima, Van Nuys Tower, right cross approve, any 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 16 right, clear for takeoff, 5216 Lima.
We're at 50. 55. 60, and here we go, rotate. All's good, Sarah?
Yay!
Hey, Tower, feet up 300 Romeo Zulu, up on frequency, hold short 16 left at Charlie.
Feet up 300 Romeo Zulu, Van Nuys Tower, waiting for your release. Feet up 0 Romeo Zulu, crossing 16 left at Charlie, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Cross 16 left at Charlie, clear for takeoff, runway 16 right, 0 Romeo Zulu.
Warning, terrain ahead.
Number 4, follow Cessna, south the entire runway 26, clear to land.
Number 4, clear to land, runway 26, 3 Rebel Golf.
It's really busy over there, so
Okay.
hopefully we'll get in one shot.
600 Golf, I'll call your basement for 1 departure, thank you.
What were you going to ask me? Sounds like you were.
Oh, I wasn't
600 Golf,
asking
your caller
anything.
base.
It's okay. It'll wait.
Okay. Yeah, it's going to get busy at this point. All right. Carb off, lights, master, mixture, primary is locked. Fuel we're going to put on the left.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, number 3, follow Cessna 2 mile final, runway 26, cleared to land. You can aim direct for the numbers now, thank you.
Aim for the numbers, following the Cessna, clear to land, 0 Juliet Mike.
Cessna 82 Foxtrot traffic, off your right will be in right close traffic, no factor.
Alright, inside 82 Foxtrot.
46 November Delta, continue downwind, number 3, follow Cherokee 4 mile left base, runway 26, clear for the option.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, same altitude.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, your number 1.
Number 1, 0 Juliet Mike.
46 November Delta, if you haven't turned base.
Turning base, 6 November Delta.
Cessna 9 Foxtrot, Foxtrot, verify yourself, traffic to follow inside turning base now.
Yeah, we got that traffic inside 9 Foxtrot, Foxtrot.
Thank you, Cessna 6 Romeo Golf, make a right 360 for spacing.
6 Romeo Golf, 360 for spacing.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, turn left at Charlie, contact ground point. Have a good morning.
Okay, turn left next taxiway over to ground, 0 Juliet Mike, good morning. Camarillo ground, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, off the active at Charlie, taxi to the restaurant.
Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Camarillo, taxi restaurant via Foxtrot.
Restaurant via Foxtrot, 0 Juliet Mike.
What would you rate the landing?
We're not doing that every time.
Yes, we are. We have to.
No, I refuse.